May is Remine month at Miami Association of Realtors, and here's a tip for you regarding equity. Home equity can be found in two places within Remine. On the search area, as one of the items to select, you can come in, select the amount of the equity, and hit apply. Once you do this, the properties on the map will show you which ones have the equity you've chosen. On the right-hand side, you will be able to see the property. In another area is when you do have an actual property open, you do have the property value and the estimated equity. The data collected comes from active mortgage amount and the interest rate, and a model created with an amortization schedule. Based on the schedule and current date, the calculation is made of the remaining loan balance. Use this and more to use Remine to help you work and be effective as a realtor. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.